How to buy ELON token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created just 9 hours ago and increased by 38,000% in the last 24 hours. This token, it's trending #1 in the Solana section now. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Now open your fund to mine for that, as you can see. Now click on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address in the search bar, as you can see. So click on your token, and now here you can type how much you want to buy. And this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. So to select the provider, you can click on pricing, click on provider, select Jupiter, for example, click on apply. Now go back. Make sure to read all that information here, and now here click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy ELON token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.